Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how you can charge your iPhone on iOS 13 really fast. Now of course the battery is a very important part of your iPhone, and charging it faster will of course make your life easier. Now always there are things on your iPhone that will decrease the battery, like the Bluetooth, location services, background app refresh, the brightness of course, and all that stuff always consumes a ton of battery. Now when you're charging your iPhone and you leave it just like this in normal, it will charge, but as it is charging it's also consuming power. That way it will charge slower, but there is a very simple way to make it charge really fast. So what I'm talking about here is a shortcut that you can get of course for free from the link right down below in the description of the video. Now all you gotta do is just tap to run the shortcut, and this shortcut will allow you to enter like a power saving mode that will make your iPhone charge faster. Now the way it works is that it will disable totally everything that consumes battery on your iPhone. That way it can charge faster. So once you want to plug your iPhone in to charge and you want it to charge faster, all you gotta do is just run this shortcut and then just go ahead and tap fast charging mode. Now you will see right here what it does. It will just bring down the brightness all the way down, will turn on dark mode. Now dark mode will of course consume less battery, as on OLED displays here all the pixels that are black are turned off, and of course it will also turn on the do not disturb mode, the low power mode, and will disable basically everything that consumes battery on your iPhone. That way your iPhone will be able to charge way faster. With this shortcut, all you gotta do is just enter the fast charging mode and you're good to go. You will enable this like fast charging mode, and your iPhone of course can charge faster. Now once you're done there, all you gotta do is just tap on the shortcut again and tap at the top right there on the normal mode, and what it does is that it will bring back everything on its normal state. So it will basically disable low power mode, bring up the brightness the way it was. Also it will disable the dark mode. Everything that it has disabled will be back on its original state, how it was when you enabled the fast charging mode. That way you won't have to worry to turn on back all the stuff that it has turned off. So that's a really fast way to enable this like fast charging mode on your iPhone, and of course charge your iPhone faster when you need it to. On iOS 13, Apple has added this like new setting for the shortcuts, so you will have to go to settings, go to shortcuts, and enable right here allow untrusted shortcuts. That way you will be able to install this shortcut, which isn't found on the gallery of the shortcuts app. You will have to use like a link from another website, but of course it is safe to install. But Apple has added that new like setting, so make sure you enable that before trying to install this shortcut. So that's basically it for this video guys. This is how you can quickly charge your iPhone by disabling all the stuff that consumes a ton of battery with this shortcut. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.